Can I tell you a secret? I thought online marketing was the best way to build a side income ever. I was wrong. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 basic issues I had with online marketing and a solution I found with them. The first thing with online marketing is all these side gigs start slowly. If you're starting from scratch, you're not going to make any money very soon. There's also a pretty steep learning curve, whether it's products or systems, tools, doesn't matter. There's going to be some new things you have to learn, and that slows your income down too. Until you've got the tools and the systems down, you're not going to earn anything. And the worst thing of all is there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees you're ever going to make a dime. Lots of people don't have the patience to wait long enough. They flat give up. A solution I found recently is to find something that puts what I call a floor on my income. It establishes a basic level of income that is predictable, not guaranteed, but predictable. That doesn't require any kind of special skills. There's no products, there's no selling, there's no recruiting. Basically, there's only one tool. If you can use it, you can make money doing this. I'm going to put the link in the description. Click the link, it'll tell you what this is all about. Easy peasy. It can get you going with an income. It's a floor for your income, for my income anyway, that allows me to have a predictable base of income so I can continue with the other side things I'm doing. I'm still continuing to build teams and all that other stuff. But I like this because it gives me a side income, a base income. Click the link to see what I'm talking about. Like the video, subscribe. I've got other important stuff that will help you with your online marketing. Click the link. Have a great day.